I'm making stuffed zucchinis. This dish can be vegan, vegetarian, or traditional. It can be a side or a main dish. It depends on what you use for the stuffing. Whatever you use, be sure it's fully cooked because you don't cook the stuffed zucchinis long enough to cook a raw filling. I'm using cooked vegan sausage in this recipe, but you can use cooked ground meat, cooked quinoa, cooked rice, anything you like. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, 1 cup cooked and diced vegan or traditional sausage, 1/2 cup vegan or traditional cheese, 1 cup cooked brown rice, 1/4 cup diced parsley, 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper, 1 crushed garlic clove. Microwave zucchinis on a plate for 1 minute at a time until you can easily insert a sharp knife or a toothpick. My 2 zucchinis took 4 minutes to get to this stage. You can chill the zucchinis for a few minutes in the fridge or hold them with a clean dish towel. They're going to be hot. Using a table knife, twist to remove the zucchini centers. Go halfway through lengthwise, leaving enough exterior wall to hold together. Turning to the other side, keep coring until the center is hollow. Keep a thick enough wall to hold the zucchini shape. Mix the stuffing ingredients in a large bowl. Hold zucchinis upright in the bowl and add stuffing a little bit at a time. Use a spoon or a fork to add the stuffing and use the handle of a table knife to pack it in. Flip the zucchini over and stuff from the other side. Pack the stuffing but not too tightly. If you're serving zucchinis right away, microwave for about 2 minutes after filling completely. Cut into 1-inch slices. If you're serving them later, you'll need to cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes before slicing and serving. Dinner is served. I sprinkled the zucchini rounds with leftover vegan sausage, added a colorful salad, and some pumpernickel garlic toast. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you for stopping by Veggies and Sage, and please see our other videos.